Hello, welcome back to Maybow's channel. In today's video, we are going to be learning about how volts, amps, and watts describes how many electricity is flowing through a wire in an electrical system. And I hope this video isn't too boring, so I'm going to try to describe it in the simplest terms possible. So first, let's talk about electricity. We are just going to understand the electricity travels through wires or conductors or pieces of metal. So if I want to connect something electrically from one point to another, we use wires to transmit the electricity. And the wires are just conductors wrapped around an insulator. What all this means is that the stuff inside the wire can transmit electricity, but the stuff outside the wire can't. It blocks the electricity, so the wire is a bit like a water pipe. The electricity can be transmitted in the middle, and the water can flow in the middle, but it can't escape from the sheath. It's shifted inside, so it can be transmitted a long way. If you have two wires, you can transmit it with DC current and AC current. So first, let's talk about DC, direct current. It has positive and negative poles, red and black. When you connect two wires to the positive and negative terminals of a battery and connect it to an appliance, electricity or charge flows through those wires. It flows from one side of the battery to the appliance, then out of the appliance and back to the battery. So DC current is like a river. In an AC system, there is no positive and negative pole. The power is transmitted through vibrations. There is no flow. And the best way to imagine it is that a DC system is like a river. It flows, while an AC system is actually like a wave moving through the ocean. Amperage is how much electricity is going through the wire. Here we imagine a water hose. The voltage is like the pressure of the water, whether the water is flowing through the hose or not. The pressure is constant and the voltage is always there. The voltage can tell you what appliances you can hook up to your system, and the ampere rating will determine how large the wire needs to be. We can move on to the next metric, which is watts. All watts are a combination of volts and amps. It's just voltage times amps equals watts. Watt refers to the energy consumed or dissipated per unit time. Okay, that's all I want to share with you in this video. If you have any interest or want to know more, please let me know in the comments. See you guys next time. Bye.